They call it the Cowboy Breakfast. Hot cereal and pancake mix made right here in Montana. We'll take a bite and tour the factory coming up on today's Wild West.
Just like Montana, pure and simple.
They call it the Cowboy Cereal, cream of the West, hot cereal plus pancake mix, snacks, and other products made from start to finish in Montana.
There we go.
From the planting and harvesting of the grain to the packaging and shipping from the tiny town of Harleton.
This is the roasted wheat.
All made from 3 basic ingredients.
Roasted ranch oats. And then the 7 grain.
So it all happens right in this room.
Right here. Yep.
Wow.
It's pretty simple.
Start to finish. It all began more than 100 years ago, back in 1914. An implement salesman was making an early morning call to see a rancher when his wife invited the visitor in for breakfast.
And what she did was to take some wheat and grind it in her coffee grinder, roast it in the oven, and served him the best hot cereal he thought he'd ever eaten. He said, I could sell that.
Cream of the West was born.
One of the original owners wasn't terribly original, and they got sued.
At first, it wasn't known as the Cowboy cereal. That changed when the packaging did in the 1920s.
They started putting a Western motif on the box, and people started calling it the Cowboy cereal.
Over the decades, Cream of the West updated that cowboy image from time to time.
So when people come to trade shows and we have a big banner that has all those boxes, we'll say, well, which one did you grow up eating?
In the early 1990s, Billings artist Joe Hines created the current series of cowboy portraits that grace the packaging, including a cowgirl featured on the cover of the organic 7-grain cereal box.
We're proud of that. That's our newest addition to the product line. She's 100% organic, 7-grain, and she's joined the boys as the first cowgirl to be a Cream of the West product.
Since its beginning more than 100 years ago, Cream of the West has added a number of other items to its product line, including a great tasting 7-grain pancake mix that you really just have to try. Good stuff.
But we have some outfitters that take them because it's a just add water. So they can take them out camping or outfitting and add water, and that's all you need. So they're easy.
Cream of the West also offers its Montana Morning Whole Bean Coffee and Montana Crunch Trail Mix Snack, which makes a great parfait when mixed with yogurt and a tasty treat right out of the bag.
It's good, tastes good, it's good for you.
The Cowboy cereal has fans all over the world and has been shipped to Dubai in the Middle East, Japan, and all across America.
One of our most popular is 3 cowboys and a rope. And all it is our 3 cereals, pure and simple, and it's one of the most popular because people love our cereal.
Gift boxes are especially popular, which include locally produced Bee Love and Honey and Mussel Shell Mud Coffee.
Named after the Mussel Shell River that flows right through Harlow.
Offering a taste of Montana for those who perhaps wish they could be here.
It's served generations of Montanans for the last 100 years.
And you don't even have to saddle up a horse to ride to town. Unlike 100 years ago, Cowboy cereal and all the other tasty products made here in Harleton can be ordered online and shipped to your ranch, wherever that may be. Those are good. That's it for now. We're back next time with more cool stuff from today's Wild West. I'm Mark Bedore. We'll see you down the trail. For more information on the people and places featured in today's Wild West, or to order show DVDs and books, visit todayswildwest.com. Funding for Today's Wild West provided by the Leggett Foundation,